Back, my traders, welcome back. People follow me, welcome back to everyone who is always enjoying my free analysis, my free videos. I can't thank you enough. It is always the best communicate to you. So today I just want to have a quick recap from Monday to where we are today. So first is EU on a 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. Yeah, first and foremost, I always do this on my left. Sorry for this. On my left, EU. On my right, 15-minute hour time frame. 15-minute time frame. Sorry. So on my left, it is a 4 hour time frame and a daily 4 hour time frame. We just retested the 50 EMA. So when we test this, it means we are having that is like a retracement. So we are still moving up. So when I go on a daily, sorry. So when I go to a daily, yeah, a daily still, there's no daily imbalance. We are just reading some candles. Yeah, we are seeing candle descriptions. So I go back to my 4 hour now because now it has convinced me there's something good to do with the 4 hour. So before before coming to a test here, the testing here is today. It was almost today we tested this EMA. So when we test this EMA, we bounced back. So before there, yesterday, which was a Monday, price came into my point of interest. After coming to where I had set my interest to be so that I can enter according to my strategy praise, you know what I do? Let me expand here. So if it is this, I go back. Let me pre-price back. If it is this, like how it tested here, yeah. So after it is testing, I go back 1 hour. I mean one minute. After going back, block of structure, block of structure. After seeing the block of structure, I now wait. Yeah, so I waited for price to pray back. Bang. Price retested. Bang. So when price retested, so I had to bring my reward tool. After it retesting, no. So after testing, I bring my reward tool, set my appropriate stop loss, my initial target. Let me maybe say I was targeting like 4%. I let price flow. So when it breaks another structure, it's set to break even a price today. Now it did what to give me my 4%. Let me say I was targeting 4 or 5. Still today it could complete the setup. Or 5% they also enjoyed. Yeah. So that's it. That's what I had on this EU. That was a Monday. So today specifically, I didn't have any trade because the retracement down here confused me. I had another interest, I had another point of view, but its position wasn't among my strategy. Where it was possessed, where I could see where I enter from, it wasn't among my strategy. So I saw like maybe here I'll be smashed out easily, and I always want to enter somewhere. I see I have big advantages of coming out when I have something with me. Sorry. So that was it. That was it the last time. That was EU. That was on Monday. Minus EU on Monday. On Monday I also had GU. So what did I do with this GU? GU was much perfect because EU I entered because Meta and this trading view sometimes vary in a little bit, where sometimes an OB might finish being created a second ago. That one of trading view might come later. So they vary a little bit. So I always leave there some pips, 1 2 pips, 1 pip, 2 pips, yeah, towards entry, because I know they don't print out the same data. So yesterday G also gave me nicely. So G was much perfect. G gave me all the setups. First and foremost, it gave me my Asia setup. What is that Asia setup? I've closed Asia and found my interest after closing. So after closing Asia, I found my interest. What did I do? Bought my risk reward to targeted, let me say 4%, but also you can target 3.5, 3, 4, probably 4 stop there. According to my strategy, I use stop at 4 when I go big. So it came, we tested twice, bang, on 3%, to give you area you go on 3% bank because I had to consider the 3%. So you see what happens here. So sometimes when I break a structure, I go back to break even. So someone who went here and reached somewhere, saw break of structure like here, went to break even here. So I was stopped out here at break even because after having a structure break, I said now let me protect my capital. Went back to break even, price came and took me out and it hit my target. It hit my target. That's what hurts me most. You see, even people who saw this break of structure and said after this test, and they said let me go now to break even. Like if he had targeted like beyond 3%, let me say 5%, took him out if users break even back to the TP. So another crazy move. Another crazy move. So on my 4 hour, I can see GU is ranging a little bit. When I see those candles, it is still in a retest. In a retest, I consider it to be ranging. When it is still in a retest, still a little bit ranging because I'm not yet sure if it will respect it or not. But when I go to a daily, it tapped and created a wick. But still on daily, you see there was a range, an uptrend, back retesting. So we don't know whether it will cross below, retest, and go back. So because I use 50 MA to just know the trend, just know the trend. Yeah, I'm giving you everything I use for free. Don't for free. Just you have to keep on following me, sharing, subscribing. I always share my setups, always available. Yeah. So I went back. I had this. It was created days ago. Day one, day two, day three. It was created. Let me see. Friday, last Friday, Friday 24th, day one, day two, day three today. So it was for the previous week. It was my point of interest. I waited for it very long. But after seeing what is happening there, sorry for that. After seeing what was happening this side, after seeing what happened, what is happening on the higher time frame, what did I do? My eyes told me, keep watching. Come tapped in. So after tapping in, it came tapped in here. It came tapped in here. Block structure retested here. So let me go to on my 5 minute. It is where it played very well because I also use 5 minutes sometimes. Yeah, sometimes for the bigger picture. For the bigger picture, maybe to see because markets are fractal. Markets are fractal. You can easily understand when you know this principle. It is fractal, so it block structure. So which means on a one, yeah, sometimes those whom I advise to do on a one they missed a setup. But if I wait something for so long on a one, they got structure break here. They didn't miss. Lucky enough, they didn't miss structure break. Although I always fear these OBs, they always make me expand my stop loss. Sometimes I risk half and I come back for half. Those which I was hanging. Structure break, a retest, which was perfect. So both of them, those who follow my setup, those who always follow my free signals, those who always follow my setups. Anyway, I don't give signals. I mean my free analysis. They saw it. But that one over 5 minute OB entered earlier before. By the time it was almost hitting earlier before then that one waited a little bit. Waited a little bit. After that we just sorry for that. I don't I had used the wrong anyway. I did use the wrong point of interest. This is for 5 minutes, which means I have to scroll below. I have to scroll below. Wait a little bit. Zoom. Wait a little bit. What am I looking for? Oops. Can't get it. Sorry. Survive now. Yeah. So on 1 minute, it is here. The 1 minute guy missed. Yeah. So it's always to understand the strategy. It will take time, but it will be good for you to always understand what you're using. Yeah. So those who trade like me or those who trade with me, yeah, sometimes we miss because sometimes I also miss such setups. Sometimes I consider them so low. Like when I wait something for so long, I can't easily miss. I always see what is the bigger picture showing me, and it tapped in. That was EU. EG, EG had setups, but I never took a trade. I had this setup. This was Monday, Monday night. Yeah, I never took a trade. It came here night. That is out of my trading time. Tuesday, Tuesday it came perfectly. Sorry, Tuesday it came perfectly. But after it came perfectly, it retested today. To tested today, I couldn't take that entry. And on the other side, it never retested. On the other side, it never retested. So I couldn't take it. On the other side, it never retested. I couldn't take it. So I never traded EG, but though price came a little bit in my setups, that was something good. GJ, I never took a trade here. I never took any trade here. Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. I never took a trade here. Even you see, I don't have any setup. The setup I have was testing here, but you see, all of these stop losses, I'll have just wait here. They correct this. This is like a triple bottom over. This is like a triple bottom. Then the GBP card, I took a trade. I took a trade. GBP card, even not this trade. Let me see. Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday. I just took a trade. I just took a trade on, if not Friday, it was Thursday. That trade probably lost. Yeah, probably lost. Another trade I was waiting for, it never came into my setup and even never liked where the OB was. Yeah, so that is it in short terms. I'm sorry for the long video, but today just because I went through the pairs I do, sometimes there's someone asking me to always work on gold.